A very good evening to one and all. Welcome everyone, very good evening. Hope all of you are able to see and hear me now. I think there was some technical issue with the other link, that is why we couldn't connect there, but I'm sure it's working now. Let's get started. I welcome you all to this session where we are discussing tangent and normal, which is a part of applications of differentiation. Tangent and normal is a vast topic, so I have divided this chapter into three parts. Today we are going to discuss the first part, and I am Yashasvi Santosh, I am the director of Spark Academy. I also handle maths classes. Most of you would have seen me in the live classes in YouTube as well as at Spark Academy. So today we are going to discuss tangent and normal part 1, wherein we will see one part of tangent and normal. We are going to see some tricks and some previous year JEE questions. So you will see how we will be able to solve previous year JEE questions using tangent and normal. This is a part of our Spark Academy live classes series, daily live classes series, where we discuss, where we have live classes in the morning as well as evening. We clarify all your doubts in the live class. We upload all the study materials in our app as well as our Telegram group. We discuss lots of tips and tricks and previous year questions. Basically, these sessions will give you a sneak peek or insights into how our actual classes look like. And the admissions right now are open for short term and crash course as well as regular programs for both 11th and 12th students. So these are the timings. I usually take a class at 5 to 6 on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Every Friday I discuss a strategy session for competitive exams. I give you tips and other important updates with respect to the competitive exam. There are other classes as well. Daily the classes are from 11 to 12, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. Monday to Friday, daily during these slots, you will be finding some live class or the other. Now for this session plan, especially for tangent and normal, you can expect one question for sure in your JEE examination and 1 to 2 questions for your EAMCET examination. So in tangent and normal, we have the first part is equation of tangent and normal. You have angle between the curves and you have the lengths of tangents and normals, and finally we have area and intercept concept. So today we are going to see the first two parts, which is equation of tangent and normal and angle between the curves. So I hope all of you are ready and you are geared up for this session. Can I have some comments of the students who have joined the class, please? Can I have some quick comments so that we can proceed? And any doubts you can keep on posting your comments and I'll be looking at it and I'll be responding. Now when we talk about tangent and normal, what is a tangent basically? So suppose you have a curve like this. A tangent is nothing but a line which just touches the curve. So suppose this is one point. If you have a line which is just touching this curve at only one point, that is called as a tangent. So if you have a curve at one of the point, it is only touching, the line is only touching at one point. It is called as a tangent. So this Let me redraw it once again for you. So suppose this is a curve, and if you draw a line, which is just touching the curve at one point. So this is called your tangent line. This is called your point of contact. And this is your curve y equal to f of x. So just a line touching a curve at one point is called as a tangent line. So suppose you have a line which is perpendicular to the tangent, that is called as a normal. So basically the slope of the tangent is represented by m. This is dy by dx. So you are differentiating the curve once and substituting x1 comma y1, which is the point of contact. That is called the slope of the tangent. Now normal, you know that normal and tangent, since they are perpendicular, slope of the tangent into slope of the normal is always equal to -1. Product of the slopes is -1 when the angle between them is 90 degrees. So basically slope of the normal, we can write it as -1 by the slope of the tangent, which is nothing but -1 by dy by dx at the points x1 comma y1. So this is called the slope of the normal. So we understood that a line, right? Tangent is nothing but a line which just touches the curve. So if it is touching the curve at a point, that point is called point of contact, and the line is called a tangent line, and the curve y equal to f of x. So if we assume the point of contact as x1 comma y1, the slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. We know tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other, so product of their slopes is -1. So slope of the normal is -1 by dy by dx. -1 by dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1 will give you the correct expression of slope of the normal. So angle between the curves, so the point of intersection of two curves, and if you have tangents of both the curves given to you, then tan theta is nothing but m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Right? So angle between the curves is given by tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So now how do you write general equation of a line form? Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. This is the point to slope form, correct? So if you want the equation of the tangent, so instead of this m, you can substitute the slope of the tangent. If you want the equation of the normal, you can substitute here slope of the normal. Hope this is clear to everybody. So once we do that, we will be getting this y minus y1 equals to dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1 into x minus x1, and slope of the normal is y minus y1 equals to -1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. So we now know what is the equation of tangent, what is the equation of the normal, and angle between two curves. So using these three concepts, let us try to do the problems. The other concepts like length of the tangent, length of the normal, area and intercepts, as I told you, we'll do it in part 2 and 3. So new students, you can download our Spark Academy app. It's one of the highest rated apps on Google in the field of EAMCET, JEE and NEET. So you can download it. Once you download the app, in the study material section, you'll be able to find handwritten notes, study materials, previous year questions, as well as mock tests. And in the free test section, we have uploaded one test each of EAMCET, JEE as well as NEET. So you can, solve them. And this is our Spark Academy store, where you have all the latest courses available. Right now, presently, we have short-term, regular, as well as the crash course admissions which are open, both at our Narayanguda as well as Meripatam branches. You can call 8977-525-461 for admissions, or you can WhatsApp this for classroom coaching admissions. We also have online coaching in our Spark store or through our website. You'll be able to find all the same courses, whatever we are offering in classroom, we are offering online. And if you use the coupon code YS10, you get a 10% off for the same. So this is how you can access through our app all the daily live as well as recorded sessions. You'll be given assignments daily. We are going to check your assignments and you can get all your doubts clarified. And also the tests. So you will be able to see the tests, your performance, your analysis, your result. So comprehensive learning program we are offering for EAMCET, JEE as well as NEET. So as I discussed, in case you watched my last video as to how you can score below 10,000 rank in EAMCET, whatever is the methodology which is required to crack competitive exams, we are incorporating all of that. Right from concepts, shortcut methods, the model questions, the exercise questions, previous year questions, and tests and analysis. We are offering everything to the student. And we are also going to personally guide and mentor them. So this is about our program. So basically this is the difference between hybrid. So for classroom we also get access to our online programs as well. So but for online coaching, apart from books and access to classroom, you get everything including doubt clarification session where you can come to our institute and get all your doubts clarified. Now let's get into some previous mains questions. I hope all of you are ready for the same. Now let's have a look at some of the previous mains questions. The first question, a curve y equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So let us draw that. There is some curve which is y equals to ax square plus bx plus c, some curve which passes through the point 1, 2. So there is one point, so it passes through the point 1, 2. Let us say this is 1, 2 point. And what else did they say? And the tangent line to this curve at the origin. Okay, so basically now they are saying origin is also involved here. So that curve also has the origin which is involved. So if there is origin and a tangent line is passing through the curve, right? So the curve something looks like this probably. So if this is the axis, they are saying the tangent is passing through the origin, okay? So let us have a look. Probably the curve looks something like this. And now they are saying 1, 2 is one point, and from the origin a tangent is being drawn. So just draw one tangent passing through the origin. So this is the tangent line. And so this becomes the point of contact. And this curve, so tangent equation is also given, y equal to x. Basically this is looking like y equals to mx plus c, correct? So the slope is nothing but 1 of this. So now I know slope of the tangent is 1. Now let's solve the equation. So what is dy by dx basically? Because I know slope of the tangent is dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. So what is derivative of x square 2x? Derivative of bx is nothing but b. Now what is the point of contact? 0 comma 0. So instead of x you need to substitute 0, a into 0 plus b. So b value is equal to 1 is what we got, because slope of the tangent already we know since they gave you equation of the tangent. So b value 1 we already know. Now what else are they saying? At 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 always passes through the curve. What does it mean? Passes through means at y equal to 2, x value is equal to 1, correct? So instead of x substitute 1, a into 1 square is a, b into 1 is b, plus c. So we already know b value as 1, correct? So substitute it here. So b value 1 is which option? Only first and second. So if b is 1, a plus c is also 1, correct? So 1 goes to the other side, it will be 1. Now let's check which option upon substituting. So passes through the point 1 comma 2. So y equal to 2, x equal to 1 we are taking. So a plus b plus c is equal to 2. So b value we got it as 1. Slope of the tangent is nothing but 1. Then the possible values of a, b and c is what they are asking you. Any step which I missed? So a curve passing through the point 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is the point with which it is passing through, and the tangent line of to this curve at the origin is y equal to x. So this is like y equal to mx plus c. So n value is 1 directly. So slope of the tangent we know 1. Upon differentiation, a into 2x plus b into 1, derivative of c is nothing but 0. So basically at 0 comma 0, the b value we are getting as 1. So if b value is 1, a plus c is also nothing but 1. So now you can just check the options. So a plus c 1, let us check first option. 1 plus 0, 1 satisfying. What about second option? Minus 1 plus 1. This is 0, not equal to 1. So second ruled out, first is your final answer. I hope this is clear to everybody. This is an easy question. We are just using the fundamentals of geometry. This is the catch here. So first you draw the figure. We have understood that this is y equal to x. So this is like y equal to mx plus c format. So slope of the tangent is 1. So I found out slope of the tangent, which we already saw that it was dy by dx at the point of contact. Point of contact is also given at origin. So we solve that, we get the answer. So I hope this is clear to everybody. This was the first question asked in JEE 2021. Now let us look at the second question. For which of the following curves, they are asking us for which of the following curves the line is the tangent at the point. So basically you have a graph like this. This is the curve. Now they have given you the point as well. So they are asking. So let us say this is the tangent. This is the curve. This is the point of contact. What is point of contact given? 3 root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So tangent equation is also given. So tangent equation is what? X plus root 3y equals to 2 root 3. So we know the tangent equation. We know the point of contact. They are asking you the curve. So is there something which we can do here? Basically, now isn't this looking like looking like ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We know that slope of this is minus a by b. Some basics in geometry. If you have ax plus by plus c equal to 0, slope is minus a by b. So this is nothing but the tangent line, correct? So what will be slope of the tangent? Slope of the tangent will be minus 1 by root 3. So we know slope of the tangent, we know the points, correct? And now they are asking you what is the curve basically. So apart from this, I can also do something else, right? So this is point of contact. Point of contact means what? That point is passing through the curve as well as through the tangent. So can I verify options? So instead of x and y, substitute this. So let's check first option. 3 root 3 by 2 whole square plus 9 into 1 by 2 whole square. What is 3 root 3 whole square? 9 into 3, 27 by 4 plus 9 by 4. This is 36 by 4, 9. Satisfying? Let's check second option. 2 into 27 by 4 minus 18 into 9 by 4. 54 minus 18 lines are, so this will be negative, not possible. Third option, y square. Y square is 1 by 4. Is that equal to 1 by 6 root 3 times 3 root 3 by 2? Root 3 cancel, 3 goes 2 times, 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 4. Maybe. And what about last option? This is 27 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 28 by 4. This is equal to 7. So this is also not possible. So we can assume for which of the following curves it's the tangent at the point. Okay, so slope, so let us assume the curve is y equal to f of x now. So the tangent line is given like this and the point of contact is also given. So let us assume an equation, everywhere it is in terms of x square and y square, right? So assume the equation to be ax square plus bx plus c, y square equal to, since they assumed in terms of y and x both are there, so assume the equation in terms of y square equals to x square plus bx plus c. Find out dy by dx. With this is nothing but slope of the tangent. You will get ABC equation. Then passing through the point, you will get another ABC equation. Solve. So that is the only way out for this. It is lengthy, but you know, you can only do it by assumption. So please try this. This will be homework. The solution will be shared to you by tonight or tomorrow morning in our Telegram group. So ensure you try this. Now, for this type of question, x square by a plus y square by b equal to 1, x square by c plus y square by d equal to 1 intersect each other at an angle of 90 degrees. So we know whenever two curves are perpendicular to each other, the product of the slopes is equal to -1. So we actually use that concept and you find out slope for this one, product -1, equate, substitute. You need not do that because it's lengthy. So I'll tell you a simple concept. If you have x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, x square by c square plus y square by d square equal to 1, if given both of them are perpendicular, the condition is simply y square minus b square equal to c square minus d square. So basically denominators you need to subtract and equate. So a minus b equal to c minus d, which will be second option. So this is a great trick which you can use to just get the final answer. So I hope this is clear to everyone. So this is that trick. Basically for any ellipse or a hyperbola type of question, suppose you have x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 and x square by c square plus y square by d square equal to 1. So this negative I can take it to the denominator. A logic is same. A square minus of minus b square equal to c square minus d square. We will get a square plus b square equal to c square minus d square everywhere. Now this is again cutting at right angles and 4k power 6 equal to. So again this one also you have a trick which I will show it to you in the next class when we discuss angle based questions. Right? For today we will solve equation questions. Now what about next part? The maximum slope of the curve. So first of all, let's find out the slope. Slope of the tangent you need to find out. So what is the slope? Half times derivative, basically dy by dx, right? Derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube. Minus 5 times derivative of x cube is 3x square. Plus 18 times derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 19. X is nothing but 19. Right? So now they are asking you the maximum slope. So what you can do is you can verify options. The option should satisfy this equation. So in this, the option should satisfy the equation, and upon substituting x values, should give us the maximum value. So for example, if we substitute 0, 0, what is happening? All these will become 0. We are getting slope as minus 19. If you are substituting 2, what is happening? 2 goes 2 times. 2 into 2 cube is nothing but 8, minus 5 into 3 is 15 times, 2 square is 4, plus 18 into 2 is 36 times 2 minus 19. So 16 minus 16 plus 72 minus 19. 72 plus 16 is nothing but 88 minus 79. So this is 3. Basically when you substitute 2, you are getting slope as 3. And what about this? You substitute 3, 2 into 27 minus 15 into 9 plus 36 into 3 minus 19, you will get 54 minus 135 plus 108 minus 19. So this is 162 minus 154. We are getting 8. So here we got 3, here we got 8. Now you need to check, because this is point of contact, right? Point of contact means this should also satisfy this. If this is satisfying this, directly this is the answer. If this is satisfying this, then this is the answer. If this is satisfying this, then this is the answer. So we have to verify options which will satisfy the equation. So instead of x, just give 2. Check what are we getting. 1 by 2 times 2 power 4 is 16. 5 times 8 plus 18 times 4 minus 19 times 2. This is 8 minus 40 plus 72 plus 18. So like this you need to check and solve. Now what about this? The tangent to the curve y equals to x plus sin y. Again, y equals to x plus sin y is the curve, and tangent is dy by dx you do. So what is dy by dx? Derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of sin y is cos y into dy by dx once again. Now if you take dy by dx common, I will get 1 minus cos y, that is equal to 1. So what is dy by dx now? 1 by 1 minus cos y. This is the slope of the tangent. Now this is parallel to the line. So what is parallel condition? Two slopes parallel to each other means slopes are equal. And how do you write slope formula? This is like x1, y1, this is like x2, y2. So just substitute it. What will you get? y2 minus y1 is 2 minus 3 by 2. Whole divided by x2 minus x1 is 1 half minus 0. So this is 4 minus 3 is 1 by 2. Whole divided by 1 by 2. So if this is cancelled, slope is 1. So slope 1 means 1 equals to 1 by 1 minus cos y. 1 minus cos y equal to 1. So y value we will get as 90 degrees because cos 90 0, 1 equal to 1. So y value 90, we can just find out x value now. So instead of y substitute 90, pi by 2 equal to x plus sin pi by 2. Sin 90 is 1, so x equal to pi by 2 minus 1. So we know x value now, pi by 2 minus 1. We know y, which is pi by y, which is nothing but 1. So we got our points of contact A comma B. So A is nothing but pi by 2 minus 1. B is nothing but 1. Now you can just verify options. I think you'll get the final answer for this same. Yeah, so this is how you do the tangent based, equation based questions. Now what about this? The equation of the normal. First let us check what is slope of the normal. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. Now what is given? At x equal to 0 they said. So there is a curve like this. There is a normal, not tangent here, normal. In the point of contact they said x equal to 0. So what is the y? So just substitute x equal to 0 in this. So what will you get here? Y equals to 1 power anything is 1 plus cos square, sin inverse 0 is 0, cos square 0 is again 1. So y equal to 2 we will get. So point of contact is 0 comma 2. Basically. So now this point of contact should also pass through the normal, correct? So let's verify options. What is first option? 0 equal to, 2 equal to 4 times 0 plus 2. 2 equal to 2. Yes, maybe. What about this? X 0 plus 4 into 2 equal to 8. 8 equal to 8. Yes. What about this? 0, 2 plus 4 into 0, 2. Again, yes. This again 2 plus. So all are satisfying this. So we can't use verification of options. Now I need to find out dy by dx. So first you need to find out dy by dx. Using this and this, you will get something. Then substitute x equal to 0 and y equal to 2. You will get dy by dx. That you substitute here. You will get slope of the normal. Finally answer will be y minus y1 minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x equals to 0, y equal to 2 into x minus x1 we will get. One important point to note is this is 1 plus x whole power 2y. So for this, you need to assume it to be some k. Apply log on both sides. So 2y log of 1 plus x equals to log k. Now you do dk by dx basically, right? So dk by dx you need to do. So you will get 1 by k, dk by dx. You can use u, v rule and simplify k, send it to the other side, you will get basically. So you just need to be careful with this. Rest is easy, you can do it. Anyway, you try this also, homework. I will send the solution for this in the WhatsApp group. So what about this? The tangent to the curve y equal to x log x is the curve at a point c comma f of c is parallel to the line segment joining. Again, it's parallel condition. Parallel means dy by dx, wherein again I will use UV rule because it's multiplication of two functions. X into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is nothing but 1. So this is 1 plus log x we are getting. This is dy by dx, which is slope of the tangent. Now again I can use y2 minus y1, which is e minus 0 by e minus 1. So log x I can write it as e by e minus 1 minus 1, or log x is e minus of e minus 1 by e minus 1. E cancelled. 1 by e minus 1. So what is x? So this is default is base e. So e goes, this will be e power 1 by e minus 1. So c is nothing but your x coordinate which you need to find out. So this will be e power 1 by e minus 1. Third option will be the answer. So again, same process. Parallel means the slopes are equal. So slope of the tangent is equal to slope of the line, which is, this is like x1 comma y1 and this is like x2 comma y2. So slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 basically. So we are just differentiating, and how did we differentiate? Two functions multiplied with each other, UV rule, and we are equating. We are finding abscissa or x coordinate and y coordinate, right? So if they would have asked you y, then this x equal to e power you would have substituted here. So you would have got e by y minus 1 probably. So that's it for today's session. These were the problems which I wanted to discuss. So you can try these previous year questions once again. A couple of questions I asked you to solve it. I gave you the hints. I want you to solve it and comment below your answers. And we'll also be sharing the solutions in the WhatsApp and Telegram groups as well. Ensure you join our Telegram group because this week also we'll be conducting a quiz later this week in our Telegram group. You can subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you stay in touch with all the notifications, stay updated with all the notifications. I hope all of you have liked this session, so you can share this video with all your friends who are preparing for EAMCET, JEE competitive exam. And from tomorrow onwards, we are also starting a fresh series for your 12th Telangana and AP boards prep for maths, physics and chemistry. The timings and everything will be updated soon. It will be a 1-hour session daily. So ensure you join this as well. Thank you everyone for joining the session. Those who missed it, you can go through it, and if you have any doubts, you can feel free to contact the numbers given below, or download our app, use the chat option. You will be able to connect with us and get all your doubts clarified. So thank you, and I'll see you all again on Wednesday. Thank you. Please don't forget to join the other sessions also which are scheduled. Thank you.